Okay, they made this one hard to open because it's the word is for. They like, bitch, don't open this. They like, don't eat this. Is this a warning to not eat it? BRB, I have to go get some scissors. Oh, yeah. This. Let me just cut this open too, shit. I have to go to the gym after this. All right. I would eat it. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video now. I think maybe the top two will probably be tomato and lime. The two simplest ones, besides lime nasty aftertaste. Come on, it's too sweet. Come on, y'all. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Hello? Cause my stomach hurt. I need some water. And I did this for y'all.